Now we'll solve the problem with respect to the cleans construction. So read the problem. The crank and the connecting rod of an IC engine are 200 mm and 700 mm respectively. The crank rotates at 120 radians per second in clockwise direction. Find, using cleans construction, velocity and acceleration of the piston when the crank is turned through 30 degree from IDC. So as per the given dimensions, we have drawn the slider crank mechanism. This cleans construction is only for the slider crank mechanism, not the 4-bar mechanism. Okay, so it is only for the engine mechanisms. So here also we are going to draw the velocity diagram and the acceleration diagram. So this method is different. This is to be used only when it is asked to draw using the clean construction. Okay, so here this is a crank which is 200 mm, and it is inclined at 30 degree. It is turned through 30 degree from the inner dead center. So this is a piston. There is a piston here, so let us call it as P. Piston is there. Okay, so this is a piston is there, and this is a, you can call it as OA. Okay, OA is the crank, AP is the piston. Okay, so now we have to draw the velocity diagram. It's a simple thing. Here velocity diagram, how to draw the velocity diagram. See here, OP is there, OP is there. So OP is there, perpendicular to OP I am drawing a line, perpendicular to OP, perpendicular to OP I am drawing a line, perpendicular to OP I am drawing a straight line, and extend this AP. Okay, parallel, make it parallel to AP. AP is there, so extend this line parallel to AP. AP I am extending, AP I am extending AP. So I will get an intersection point. So this point is nothing but let us call it as M. So now OAM, the triangle OAM is nothing but the triangle OAM is the velocity triangle, is velocity diagram. Okay, velocity diagram. So we got the velocity diagram. Now we have to construct the acceleration diagram. So acceleration diagram, for that, to construct the acceleration diagram, you take this radius AM as the radius, with A as center, AM as the radius. You draw one circle. Okay, we'll draw one circle with AM as radius and A as the center. A as the center and AM as the radius. I have drawn a circle. This is the first circle. This is the first circle I am drawing. This is the first circle, and I need to draw one more circle. I need to draw one more circle. For that I require the center of this AP. Center of AP I require. So I am making use of this perpendicular bisector method to determine the center. Okay, so make use of this perpendicular bisector method and determine the center point of P. I will go to join this. So you join this line. Okay, so I got this point. Call this as point, maybe you can call it as X. So call it as X. So this is the center. So now what I am going to do is, with XA as radius, with X-ray as radius. Okay, XA as radius, or XA as radius, and X as the center. XA as the radius, X as the center. I am going to draw another circle. So I am drawing another circle. So draw another circle. Okay, so you draw another circle. Draw another circle. This circle, second circle is there now. Whatever the second circle is there now, this will intersect the first circle at two locations. So this is one location, This is one location. So it will intersect the first circle at two locations. I am going to join that. Okay, so I am going to join those two locations by a straight line, by a chord. Okay, by a chord I am joining that. So this will again intersect OP. Line OP is there now. Line OP is there now. This line, it will intersect at this point, and AP is there now. The AP also is intersected at this point. Okay, so now I can call this line as LN. Okay, LN. Okay, you can call this as RS. LN is there. LN is there. Now I am joining this thing, that is this polygon. So that is ON. ON, OA is there already. Okay, AL. So I joined this polygon, that is ALNO or ONLA. Okay, this polygon is nothing but it is the this acceleration diagram, that is LANO polygon. Polygon is the acceleration diagram. Okay, so this is acceleration diagram. Now I require velocity of point P, that is the velocity of point P is required. So it is a simple thing. You apply the formula velocity of point P. For the velocity of point P, there is a thing that is the formula is there. You OM, we have OM, no? You measure OM into scale. Okay, whatever this is, measure OM, convert this into scale, this into omega, whatever omega is there, that omega, it comes to around 15 meters per second, the velocity of P. And acceleration of P, you measure ON, this ON is to be measured, ON into scale into omega square. Okay, you put it to omega square, you will get around 2880 meter per second square. Okay, so this is the required thing, that is we calculated. Okay, so this is how the Kleene's construction is to be used in determining the velocity and acceleration and of a piston. Okay, of a piston P in a engine mechanism.